Hi guys, this is my AMD A6, my old personal computer guys. It has been 2017 now. It's already in 2025 guys. But installed an SSD RAM and a GPU with it so that it could run more fast. At sa ganun pa guys, kailangan natin i-update yung ating system para gagana yung GPU natin at para maging smooth ang takbo ng ating computer system unit. Ayan guys, update muna natin. Ayan, so yun yung GPU natin, yung malaki na board guys. Ayan umaapaw pa nga siya sa board, ay sa ating stock board sa AMD A6. Ayan, tignan muna natin yung driver, hindi pa na load. So punta tayo doon sa may driver. Ayan, NVIDIA driver update, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 250 installing guys. It's still 0%. Ayan, so refresh natin bago natin subukan ulit. Ayan, so tignan natin yung system natin guys. Here, so this is our system details. 8GB RAM, AMD A6 APU within Radeon. So lagyan natin NVIDIA Force na GPU guys, so para mag-smooth yung takbo sa mga games